I come again. I come in peace, South Africa. Nigerians, African countries who are living in South Africa, more especially Nigerians, international law says defending yourself is not a crime. Defending yourself is not a crime in a country that kills people, murdering people without mercy. International law say you must defend yourself. It's like this our brother called Oscar, who in a bottle store that South African government murdered. He was having a gun. But I don't know what he's doing with his gun, that he can use that gun to shoot one or two or three of them before they kill him. Yes, he know that he will die. But rather than he's supposed to take somebody, go with him. You must defend yourself. This is the fight in Biafra land. That Nigerian military soldiers are continuing killing innocent Biafrans all over Biafra land. They don't want the police to do their job. In South Africa, police have taken it as their right to be murdering innocent Nigerians in South Africa. Because Nigerians are one. We live together as brother. That somebody, Biafra is looking for independence does not mean that even if they gain independence, we will be fighting and killing ourselves. Excuse me. South Africa, you must know that South Africa is a xenophobic country. There is xenophobia. And when they display their xenophobic attitude is when the election comes. They started committing atrocities against black Africans. They started killing. If they didn't send the president of Soweto, call Nanda, whatever they call him, they will send Olani Kumalo. As long as you are carrying iron in this country, South Africa, you carry gun. Go out there and kill blacks. Why the government will praise you? They take you to court. They release you. You go because you murdered a Nigerian. Who are you? Because they know that the Nigerian government are not defending their own people. Why Nigerian government are doing budget for defending their own people in South Africa? But they're not doing it. They know the reason why. I don't know. I have never heard Nigerian government call the whole Nigerians in their embassy or in Nigerian consulate. Come, let me tell you people how far we have gone by South Africa killing you guys. They have never done it. But they will be busy talking, enjoy their Nigerian money. If you go there, they will tell you there's no money, this. Because they're above the law. Every Nigerian government is above the law. Every South African is above the law. Individual. Why must you be killing people? You prepare going to South Africa. South Africa will give you a visa. You come to their country. The immigration will stamp you in to come and die. They are not stamping you in to come and live and do your thing, but they're stamping you in to come and die for nothing because they are xenophobia. They will stamp Western world in, stamp BRICS in, stamp Chinese in, India in. They won't kill them. They give them documents, but they won't give Africa document. Rather than they will murder you. You will see that all these police who are killing, taking bribes and killing innocent Nigerians, you will hear they go free because 2 days or 3 days, Nigerian government will never go there again to make sure those people go to jail. Because the law of South Africa are still working up to now. The only country in Africa Even if the best in Africa, in the best in the whole world, in time of human rights, is South Africa. But they work with evidence. If you are not coming to court, who will stand? All these guys, Nigerians who are making noise where this dead body is, tomorrow they go their own way. They won't go to represent this boy in the court. They discharge the person. Even Kolani Kumalo, who murdered 2 people, can be free today. Who will not be free? South African citizens will be free. If you are a citizen of, if you are African citizen of South Africans, you are a kwere. If you are illegal immigrant in South Africa, you are kwere. If you are doing business, you are a kwere. If you are not doing business, you are a kwere. If you are dealing on drug, you are a kwere. If you are not dealing on drug, you are a kwere. If you commit crime, you are a kwere. If you are not committing crime, you are a kwere. Every African country in South Africa is a suspect. South Africa, why? Why? South African government, why? Why do you want to finish Nigeria in this country? More than 40 people, 40 dead Nigerians is in mortuary today. Now, as I'm talking, nothing happened to those who killed them. I pray for you, South Africa. May your land never yield good fruit. May the land of South Africa cause every police, every metro police station, every metro, all those people who murdering Nigerians, you will never go free without punishment.